Good morning, Raya. What do you say? Say good morning, Mom. Raya. Are you hungry?
No pancakes.
You want pancakes?
Yeah.
Should we go eat pancakes?
Yeah.
What are you playing with?
A balloon.
Whose balloon is that?
Mama heart.
It's a heart.
Yeah, balloon heart.
Yes. How old are you, Raya?
Balloon.
Raya,
Got it.
how old are you, baby? Oh, he's asleep. Uh-oh.
What?
Here you go. Yeah. What'd you do? What'd you do?
I'm gonna find it.
You're gross. Come here.
Oh,
Okay, Ray doesn't want no pancakes.
me.
You want pancakes? Okay, let's go. Bye, camera. Say bye, camera.
Bye, Grandma.